Make the ground shake.
Hello guys, OFC Ginger here. Today I'm going to be trying something different. Kind of built myself a little PC. What we're going to be playing is called Air Hauler. It's like an add-on for Flight Simulator X. So this is our company. Yeah. So we can pick up jobs, deliver to all the airports. We've got to fly the planes ourselves, or you can allocate the jobs to pilots that you hire. But we're not going to be doing that today. We're going to be flying the plane. Now, I'm still getting my head around this software, so you have to bear with me if I mess up. So we're going to have to unload this for now. Let's have a look what jobs we've got to do. See, that's late. I tried this yesterday. This is what happened yesterday. I was flying this. I've got to about here. Okay, we're going from London to Ireland. We got to here, and I was on autopilot from about here to here. Okay, got to here, bang my headphones back on. The aircraft was too loud, so I thought, right, I'm going to turn it down. But on my headset, I can only turn it down if I back out the game and go to this and then turn it down. But as I did that and then clicked this button here to load Flight Simulator back up, it would not load. Just wouldn't load up. So I at the reef got pissed off. Just turned it off. So what I might do is allocate this to one of our pilots. Got Jackson or Jesse. I take it that's captain or I don't know, first officer, but she's got a better rating or her. Could be called Jesse if you're a guy. So we'll allocate that. You cannot use this aircraft as it has no cargo with full fuel tanks. Okay. So, cargo location. There's no cargo on board, so that's what it's telling me, innit? Right. If you just cancel a job, are we going to get charged? No. Good. Right. Let's have a look for another job. So these are all the jobs. Airport codes, city names, and then it says to, so we're going from there to there. This is the thing with this game. If we wanted to pick up this, okay, if we wanted to take this to Dresden, we would have to fly. Just zoom out here. We would have to fly from our base to Austria, then pick up the cargo at Austria, and then fly it to Germany. That's not happening. I'm sorry, but that take way too long. So what we need to do, we need to go to our airport. So I think we're EGLC. Yeah. So we need to look for a job that's going from here and not too far. See, Dublin, that was a route I did yesterday. It's only 258 miles. So we might do that again. What do I want to take? Clothing or cabbages? Clothing's heavier, but clothing pays more money. Yeah, we'll do that one. We'll do clothing. So we go down to it, accept job. Are you sure you want to accept the job? Yes. Job accepted. Up here, we have used aircraft. Now, these are ridiculous prices. If you wanted a 737, 29 million. Our money at the moment is 4 million. Our company is worth 1 million. Got a reputation of 58. That was 60, but I've just cancelled that job, so it's gone down. So if we fly this okay, just don't come out of the game. That's what we don't need to do. Just don't come out. So we're going to fly now. I've got 2 Bombardier Learjets. This plus this #1 is anniversary edition. I don't know why, it was just. So it's got near enough a full tank of fuel. Cruise speed 600. That's 464. That's not fast. That. can go 2,100 miles. Right, so let's do that. Use that one. So this page is just telling you basically your flight plan. So we're going to fly up through England, over to centre Wales, and then over Irish Sea into Dublin. Now we're on to the loading bay. So what we need to do, this is what it's telling you you've got, okay? So we need to load it onto the plane. Fuel. It says you've got on board 5,156 pounds of fuel, okay? If you want to top it up, it's going to cost you £507. I always top it up. Aircraft, yeah, aircraft's 100%, okay? It'll tell you if it were like 3%, then it's going to cost you loads. I remember I did a job, and as I was taking off, my tail hit the floor, and I didn't know anything about it till the end. And then I got back to this software, and it said the flaps have broke. It's going to cost 3 million. That's it. Just deleted it, loaded it up again. I'm not paying 3 million for that. Okay, so let's fly now. So I'll load this game up, guys, and I'll see you there. Hello guys, we're back. Alright, we're in the plane. Sorted. Now, don't think I'm some sort of flight sim expert. I know how to take off. Basically how to set the autopilot up. Get in the air, bang the autopilot on, let it fly the route, take the autopilot off, land the plane. That's it. Don't do anything else. That's how I play the game. Right, so we're going to press F10 to get inside so we can set up. So I've flew this route before, so I know that when we take off, the altitude is, we're going to cruise at 5,000. Now the speed can be whatever you want, you know what I mean, but I want to be there quick, so we put it to about 280. We need to flip this when we turn autopilot on. If you want the plane to follow this, that's control free. When we turn the plane on, let's turn the plane on. Right. If you want your plane to follow this line, okay, what we need to do, not nav, GPS. Okay? So when the autopilot's on, you'd want your speed and your altitude. Okay? They're the two main parts. That'll keep you in the air, or the height. That'll keep you going. And you need nav ticks, but make sure this GPS is ticked. If that's ticked, it won't follow that line. That'll follow the line. That'll take you to the airport. So what we need to do now is talk to the tower. Why are you warning me? Generator fail. Oh, never mind. We need to IFR clearance so we can get the flight. When I'm in this, with this flight plan, every time you get out of the one of the tower's limits, you have to contact a new tower, and that contact. When I get easy, good cruising speed, I'll just whack up the altitude to about 7,000 and just leave it. I'll cancel it, and then when I get near it, just start it back up again. Tune into the new towers. So we need to go to runway 28, taxiway C. So what we do, now, just acknowledge that. Turn progressive taxi on, okay? Then when we go outside, you can see these lines here. These are what we need to follow, yeah? That's okay for now. Right. Let's get back inside. Speed set up 280, 5,000. GPS is on. Parking brakes are on. So let's take the parking brakes off. Actually, let's request a pushback. See if this works. 'Cause it didn't work before. If I press Control P, then I should get a pushback by one of these. Control P. Right, let's just have a look. Options, settings, controls. Let's just have a quick look now. We'll see what pushback is. LMNP. Pushback. Shift P. Not Control P. Shift P. Oh, graphics went then. Alright, so if I press now Shift P, and then there you go. I'm not touching any controls here. I'm technically getting the push back off one of these, but it's not loading it up. Alright, we'll cancel that pushback now. We've got enough room to turn around here, so we give it a little bit of throttle. And then just turn around slowly. Just tapping them brakes as we go around. Because this plane, like this game, this air hauler add-on, it won't let you, if you crash, back to that air hauler software, it reads everything that you do on this game. So, you know what I mean, if you overspeed or damage any of the cargo, that software knows about it. So it'll charge you. Because I did this one yesterday, it's going to take us all the way to end up runway and make it around the circle. See here now, we're going to go around and then come back and then face this way, so we take off down this runway. Slow down a bit there. Oops. Too much controlling. I've got a thing on my but right, so when we get here now and park up, we have to contact tower, request takeoff, because it could be a plane in the air. Come on. Slowly. Since I've plugged this Elgato in and recording it on here, the graphics have dropped. And I don't know why. Right, let's just... So now we go back inside F10. Let's contact the tower to request clearance to take off. Request takeoff. Right, there we go, we got clearance. So acknowledge that, and then we can get off. Just line this up now. Right, off we pop. Full throttle. And we should be alright about here. So pull the nose up slowly. Don't want to go too far because we'll bang that tail. There we go. So G on your key. So there you go, air hauler. En route, fly this sector. See, this is what it keeps coming up all the time. Contact this, contact that. So we acknowledge handoff. Just close that a minute while we get sorted. So now, if we go inside, okay, and if we press altitude, speed, nav, and AP. Now you watch this now. If I move this up here, okay, this is good. This, as you can see, the plane's turning. This is gonna follow this line to Dublin, okay. Everything that could be sorted. It's daytime, so we don't need to turn the lights on. Well, I wouldn't anyway. See, it's leveling off now. We'll just bang that down there. We'll go outside. Bang that. Like to keep that nice and tidy down there. I'm sorry about the graphics. I don't know what's up with it. I mean, both of these PCs are got good graphics cards in them, so. Right, now we're all set up. I'll show you just before I quickly skip ahead in the video. I'm just going to show you how to cancel this. So we go on this headphones, tune into north, halt, approach, or your nearest one, whatever's there. So we just got to tell me with them. Then we're going to cancel. Oh wait. Right. So we're going to cancel it. Right, confirm. Done. That's it. No more contacts from them. Right, that's it now. So we should just glide to Dublin. Before I just skip ahead again, I could keep saying that. I'm just going to put this up to 7,000. Just so it's nice. Quick. Yeah, so I'm going to skip ahead in the video. I'm going to skip ahead until we're just about to land. So I'll see you there. Hello guys and welcome back. So it says we're 9 minutes away. It's been a long wait. I mean, once this video's, I'll cut this video down, but it's been recording an hour already, so yeah, gonna land the plane hopefully spot on. I'm going to contact. This is when I'm going to turn it back on now, if I can remember how to do it. So nearest airport. Just try and load this up again. Whoa. I've just caught that. Oh my gosh. This was about the same, actually the same place where it fucked up yesterday. Right, have a level. Let's just get this autopilot back on. Flipping heck, that was Matt, what are these saying? Do you know what? I messed up turning it off, but I just didn't want to listen to Contact Alt Towers manually. I can guarantee it's going to mess up. Honestly, as soon as we get to Dublin. I'm just going to 40 miles away, so let's just drop it down to 5,000. Slow that speed down a bit. 260 will do. I've learned when you're approaching the airport, try and cruise at 180. When you're just about to go down, you know, to the runway, try and go in at 140, something like that. That's what the missions normally tell you to do. So just keep it on autopilot. I would. Just all the way there. .34 miles left. It's currently 17:10 in the UK. No, it's not. That's slow. I'm not messing about with it. I don't want to mess about with this, but I need Right, so now it's telling us to turn right. See, this is... Oh my gosh, what is going on? Turn 3... So what we do now is set this up to heading to 310. And then take the nav off, put the heading on, and you'll see that the plane's turning. See, this is the best thing about this because it guides you to the airport. Like if we followed this line now, you were guaranteed you fly over the runway because it wouldn't be, it'd be going that way instead of straight on. Now this is guiding us in. Let's see how far we've got now. That's zooming in, that's zooming out. Alright, so it looks like we've got past there. Looks like we're going to about here. So is that it? Is that it? 15 miles? It looks like it. The dock. But where's the run? Ah, I can see it. Right, now I'm going to take autopilot off and try and glide this in myself. So we'll take autopilot off, take that off, that off. Now it's ours. This is our plane. So let's go outside. Just turn left slightly. Doesn't help me. Graphics not flipping loading up. Bring the landing gear out. Just set flaps to 1. We're going in this. I'm going to try and get this one, by the way. I mean, I don't know which one it wants us to land at. See that green line on my map? That's the approach. Just use the rudders to turn around a little bit. I'll get rid of that. Making good progress here, I think. Just try and get this. 3 miles. Right, let's set full flaps. Come on, nose up, nose up, nose up, nose up. That's it. Nose up, nose up. That's a good plane. Come on. Yeah, check that plane there, waiting there for us to come in. Full flap set. Go down, you stupid plane. Go on, lad. I've actually made it to Ireland. Wants to take off, I think. So we'll take this exit. See, realistically, what we need to do now is contact these Dublin Tower and get clearance to park up, but Air Hauler doesn't mind about that. It just wants you to land safely on the ground. So what we're going to do is just wait here. Turn the engine off. Let's go inside and do that. So F9. Space bar will move around. Engine. Oh yeah, yeah. Right, so now what we need to do, we've landed. We need to press Alt Tab to go back to Air Hauler. The engines aren't running. Oh, see? Oh no, it's there. This is what I mean. This is what it does. It doesn't go back onto the game. I turn the engines off. It just won't go back in. Flight sim. That's not flight sim. Ah, we're in. Yes. I've turned the engine off. Can you hear the engine? Yeah, you can actually. Right, so Control E is engine off. Control E. Oh, that's auto start. And engine auto shut down. Let's just make a new thing for it. Engine. Right, let's see if that works. We need to find the button inside. Right, so this is all to do with the engine, yeah? Fire. Fire. Enter parking brake. Parking brake on. What's that? How'd you turn the engine off? Rudder. Fire suspension. Engine. Right, this is a throttle, yeah. There. So what's this? Engine throttle control. I don't want the reverser on. Air flaps. Speed brake. Landing gear. bet it's right in front of me. Cut. No. Right, well. Right, that should. No. Come on, Flight Sim. Turn the engine off. What's that? Right, let's try and set the control up then. I mean, I don't even know where it is. Right, engine, auto start, control E, auto shut down. That's what we want. So let's have it as number. What? Clear. Let's have that shut down. Okay. So now. Hey. Let me know where the button was. But we've turned the engine off. So now if we go back to the air hauler, it will let us unload. There we go. Unload clothing. Unload. You've completed the job. So there's our flight report. Apparently it took us 0 minutes to get there. Fantastic. But yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. 53 minutes it took us. All in all. Well, if you'd like to see more of these Flight Sim videos, give it a thumbs up, comment. If you know where the flipping engine switch is on the plane, let me know somewhere. Because I don't even know where it was. On that Bombardier. So, yeah. Catch you later. Peace out.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.